Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Cronos chain to MetaMask. For that, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for chainlist.org. Now, once you are on the official website of Chainlist, you will have to press the Connect Wallet button in the top right hand corner, and you simply need to connect your MetaMask wallet with it. Afterwards, in the search bar, you simply need to search for Cronos, and then you will be able to see Cronos mainnet in front of you. Now over here you need to press add to wallet button, and then the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you, which will automatically take the Cronos network name, its network URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. So you need to press the approve button, and after that it will ask you to switch the network. So you just have to press the switch network option. Now if you click on your MetaMask extension in the top, you will notice that now the Cronos mainnet is successfully added in your MetaMask account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.